வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 5வது ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டு. இந்த 5வது ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டு வீடியோஸை பார்ட் 21லேருந்து பார்ட் 25 வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற 150 எம்சிக்யூலேருந்து 100 எம்சிக்யூ செலக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம் டெஸ்ட்டுக்காக. இந்த டெஸ்ட்டை நீங்கள் எழுதும்போது உங்களுக்கு 1 ஹவருக்கு மேலே ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருக்குமாங்கிறத பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அட்டிய ஸ்ட்ரெச்சு இதை அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டை 1 ஹவருக்கு மேலே டைம் இருக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அந்த நேரத்தில் இந்த வீடியோவை பாருங்கள். செகண்டு, டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு தேவையான பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த கொஷினுக்கெல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணும்போது கொஷின் நம்பரும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரும் எழுதினா மட்டும் போகிறோம். அதாவது ஆப்ஷன் நம்பர்னாக்க ஏபிசிடின்னு இருக்கும், டீட்டெயில்ஸு எழுத வேண்டாம். இதோட ஆன்சர் லாஸ்ட்டு பேஜில் நாம் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அப்போது நீங்களே உங்களோட ஆன்சர் எழுதிட்டு அதை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. First question. The policy of anticipating no profit and provide for all possible losses arises due to convention of dash. A. Consistency. B. Disclosure. C. Matching. D. Conservatism. Second one, the liquidator of a company is entitled to a remuneration of 2% on assets realized. The assets realized rupees 1 lakh including cash balance of rupees 3,000. Liquidator's remuneration will be A. rupees 2,000, B. rupees 2,060, C. rupees 1,940, D. rupees 20,000. Third one, the liquidator of a company is entitled to a remuneration of 3% on the amount distributed to unsecured creditors. Amount available for distribution to unsecured creditors before paying liquidator's remuneration was rupees 46,350. The liquidator's remuneration will be A. rupees 1,350, B. rupees 1,450, C. rupees 1,250, D. rupees 1,330. Fourth one, advertising copy refers to dash. A. reading matter, B. sponsors ideas, C. action, D. personal presentation. Fifth one, modern advertisings are dash. A. outdoor advertising, B. film advertising, C. indoor advertising, D. direct advertising. Sixth one, tariff is a tax levied on dash. A. Exports. B. Imports. C. Profits of a firm. D. Sales of a commodity. Seventh, balance of trade is favorable when dash. A. Exports greater than imports. B. Imports greater than exports. C. Exports is equal to imports. D. None of these. Eighth one, the International Monetary Fund was established in dash. A. 15th January 1944. B. 27th December 1945. C. 24th December 1950. D. 20th March 1954. Ninth one. Which one of the following is usually a long-term budget? A. Sales budget. B. Cash budget. C. Capital expenditure. D. Fixed budget. 10th one. Product cost under marginal costing includes dash. A. Prime cost only. B. Prime cost and variable overheads. C. Prime cost and fixed overheads. D. Material cost and variable overheads. 11. What is the major issue in privatization in India? A. Opposition comes from public sector employees. B. It leads to concentration of economic power in a few hands. C. Aim of social justice would be defeated. D. All of these. 12. A multinational corporation is one which undertakes foreign investment. A. Indirectly. B. Directly. C. Through the World Bank. D. Through the IMF. 13. Industrial sickness is due to the following. A. Foreign exchange problem. B. Fixed capital problem. C. Marketing problem. D. Import problem. 14. Functions of CIDCO is dash. A. To provide and distribute scarce raw material. B. To supply machinery on hire purchase system. C. To provide assistance in marketing the products of SSI. D. All of these. #15. The Sainik schools are a system of schools in India conceived in 1961 by dash. A. A.K. Krishnamenon. B. J.K. Krishnamenon. C. S.K. Krishnamenon. D. V.K. Krishnamenon. 16. Dash is the apex body for coordinating the activities of institutions engaged in entrepreneurship development. A. National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board, NSTEDB. B. National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development, NIESBUD. C. Small Industries Service Institute, SISI. D. None of these. 17. Technical Consultancy Organization, TCO, are the subsidiary of dash. A. IDBI. B. ICICI. C. IDCOT. D. SIPCOT. 18. SIPCOT was set up in dash. A. 1974. B. 1972. C. 1971. D. 1975. 19. Status acts as a barrier in A. Upward communication. B. Downward communication. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. 20. The idea of MBO was propounded by dash. A. Maslow. B. Peter F. Drucker. C. F.W. Taylor. D. McGregor. 21. The word entrepreneur has been taken from dash. A. The French language. B. The Spanish language. C. The Latin language. D. The German language. 22. Entrepreneurs are motivated to start business enterprises due to dash. A. Ambitious factors. B. Compelling factors. C. Facilitating factors. D. All of these. 23rd. Finding the enterprises with high technology involving risk and having high rewards is called dash. A. Seed capital. B. Venture capital. C. Working capital. D. Fixed capital. (24) Project appraisal in case of proposed project is called dash. A. Post ante analysis. B. Ex ante analysis. C. Break even analysis. D. Decision tree analysis. 25. Under criminal liability, the auditor can be punishable with dash. A. Imprisonment. B. Fine. C. Removal from the membership. D. Both A and B. 26. The certificate of incorporation can be disputed on the following ground. A. Where all the signatories are minors. B. Where the signatures to the memorandum are forged. C. Where the memorandum is signed by only one person for all the 7 subscribers. D. None of these. 27. If the articles conflict with the memorandum, A. The article shall prevail. B. The memorandum shall prevail. C. The directors will resolve the conflict. D. The court will resolve the conflict. 28. Doctrine of constructive notice means A. Notice of alteration of object class to the registrar. B. Notice of change of name to members. C. Notice to outsiders dealing with the company as to contents of a memorandum and articles of association. D. Notice to public as to issue of a prospectus. (29) Fund from operation is dash. A. Gross profit. B. Net profit. C. Gross loss. D. Net loss. 30. Marginal cost means dash. A. Additional cost. B. Indirect cost. C. Fixed cost. D. Variable cost. 31. The International Finance Corporation is an affiliate of dash. A. The World Bank. B. The International Development Association. C. The Asian Development Bank. D. The International Monetary Fund. 32. Exim Bank started functioning from the year dash. A. 1947, B. 1962, C. 1972, D. 1982. 33. The role of multinational corporation is related to the problem of dash. A. Unemployment, B. Exploitation, C. Brain drain, D. Direct foreign investment. (34) SDR is adopted for dash. A. Reducing international liquidity, B. Increasing international liquidity, C. Promoting exports only, D. Promoting imports only. 35. The purpose of motivation is to create conditions in which people are willing to work dash. A. With zeal, initiative, interest and enthusiasm. B. With a high personal and group moral satisfaction. C. With a sense of responsibility, loyalty and discipline. D. All of these. (36) The fundamental document of the company is dash. A. The Articles of Association, B. The Register of Members, C. The List of Board of Directors, D. The Memorandum of Association. 37. A maximum number of companies in which one can act as a director at the same time is dash. A. 10 companies, B. 15 companies, C. 20 companies, D. 25 companies. 38. Unusual transactions at the year end increases the dash. A. Profit, B. Risk of error and fraud, C. Sales, D. Cash. 39. While evaluating capital investment proposals, the time value of money is considered in the case of dash. A. Payback period method, B. Discounted cash flow method, C. Accounting rate of return method, D. Interest rate of return method. 40. The committee that suggested a system of multi-purpose education at the secondary stage was dash. A. Ramamurthy Committee, B. Tarachand Committee, C. Hunters Committee, D. Hartog Committee. 41. The author of the book Wings of Fire is dash. A. Annie Besant, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. 42. The capital of Uttarakhand state is dash. A. Raipur, B. Dehradun, C. Ranchi, D. Dispur. 43. The temple tower found in the Tamil Nadu government state symbol is located in dash. A. Madurai, B. Srivilliputtur, C. Tanjavur, D. Rameswaram. 44. One of the main objectives of educational technology is dash. A. Individualizing instruction, B. Direct means of communication, C. Techniques to improve their infrastructure, D. Choosing from alternate media. 45. When sales volume increases dash. A. Break-even point increases, B. Total profit increases, C. Total loss will increases, D. All of these. 46. Job costing is called dash. A. Batch costing, B. Standard costing, C. Specific order costing, D. Unit costing. 47. The importance of reconciliation is dash. A. Coordination, B. Effective control, C. Decision making, D. All of the above. 48. Reconciliation is usually done between dash. A. Gross profit and net profit, B. Previous year's profit and current year's profit, C. Profit of 2 units. D. Costing profit and financial profit. 49. Which one is used to measure advertising effectiveness? A. Customer response. B. Market response. C. Competitors response. D. Sales response. 50. Examples for new age media dash. A. Television. B. Social media sites. C. Trade fairs. D. Direct mail. 51. A contributor is dash. A. Unsecured creditors. B. Preference creditor. C. Shareholder. D. Debenture holder. 52. Preferential creditors are shown in the statement of affairs under A. List D. B. List B. C. List C. D. List A. 53. Any sum due to an employee out of provident fund is an example of dash. A. Unsecured creditors. B. Preference creditors. C. Secured creditors. D. Partly secured creditors. 54. Current assets should be valued at dash. A. Cost price. B. Market price. C. Cost price or market price, whichever is more. D. Cost price or market price, whichever is lower. 55. Dash is the dividend unpaid by the company within 30 days of its declaration. A. Unclaimed dividend. B. Unpaid dividend. C. Interim dividend. D. Final dividend. 56. Which of the following does not call for physical verification? A. Goodwill. B. Plant. C. Loose tools. D. Stamp. 57. Budget manual contains A. The objectives and principles of the budgetary control. B. Duties and powers of the budget officer and committees. C. Accounts classification and budget period. D. All of these. 58. In order to perform any task effectively and successfully, a person, that is entrepreneur, needs to possess of a set of dash. A. Knowledge. B. Skills. C. Motive. D. All of these. 59. As a general rule, quick ratio of dash is considered to be satisfactory. A. 1:1. B. 2:1. C. 1:2. D. 1:4. 60. The term fund in the fund flow statement refers to dash. A. Net working capital. B. Cash. C. Current assets. D. Current liabilities. 61. Standard deduction under section 24 is dash. A. 1/4 of net annual value. B. 1/5 of net annual value. C. 30% of net annual value. D. Rupees 10,000. 62. Contribution made of an approved scientific research association is eligible for deduction up to dash. A. 50% of the contribution made. B. 80% of the contribution made. C. 100% of the contribution made. D. 175% of the contribution made. 63. Types of institutions. Scientific Research Association prescribed for to get 100% deduction for the contribution made is given in section dash of IT Act. A. 80G. B. 80GG. C. 80GGA. D. 80GGB. 64. Differential cost are also known as dash. A. Marginal cost. B. Incremental cost. C. Historical cost. D. Opportunity cost. 65. Net working capital concept is dash. A. Current assets plus fixed assets. B. Current assets only. C. Current assets minus current liabilities. D. Current assets plus intangible assets. 66. Goodwill is dash. A. Tangible asset. B. Intangible asset. C. Fictitious asset. D. None of these. '67. Super profit is difference between dash. A. Actual profit and normal profit. B. Capital employed and average capital employed. C. Current year profit and last year profit. D. None of the above. '68. Life Insurance Corporation of India is dash. A. Public corporation. B. Departmental undertaking. C. Government company. D. Private company. '69. As per SEBI's requirement in a listed public sector company, the public shareholding should be at least dash. A. 30% of the equity. B. 10% of the equity. C. 26% of the equity. D. 31% of the equity. '70. How much minimum amount of money a company should collect from the public when offered shares to the public, that is minimum subscription? A. 90% of the issued amount. B. 75% of the issued amount. C. 50% of the issued amount. D. 10% of the issued amount. '71. Credit rating refers to dash. A. Rating of different financial institutions. B. Rating of different financial instruments. C. Customers' credit worthiness rating. D. Customers' bills rating. '72. IRCI, Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of India, was set up in 1971 with the assistance of dash. A. ICICI. B. ARDC. C. IDBI. D. RBI. '73. As per AS 14, purchase consideration is what is payable to dash. A. Shareholders. B. Shareholders and debenture holders. C. Shareholders and creditors. D. Debenture holders and creditors. 74. The product cost determined in standard cost accounting system is a dash. A. Direct cost. B. Fixed cost. C. Joint cost. D. Expected cost. 75. Prime cost plus variable overhead known as dash. A. Production cost. B. Marginal cost. C. Total cost. D. Cost of sales. 76. Equity or equity featured capital seeking investment in new ideas, new companies, new products, new processes, or new services that offer the potential for high return on investment is called dash. A. Unit capital. B. Venture capital. C. Seed capital. D. Nominal capital. 77. The form of organization with main feature like democratic management, government control, service motive, voluntary organization is dash. A. Partnership. B. Sole tradership. C. Cooperatives. D. Corporations. '78. Apportionment means dash. A. Charging of overhead to cost centers. B. Allocation of cost unit. C. Charging of overhead to cost units. D. None of these. 79. Which of the following is a liquidity ratio? A. Current ratio. B. Liquidity ratio. C. Cash position ratio. D. All of them. 80. As a source of finance, how would you term equity capital? A. Short-term source. B. Long-term source. C. Medium-term source. D. Secondary source. 81. A government company is a company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by dash. A. The central government. B. The state government. C. Partly by the central government and partly by the state government. D. All of the above. 82. Anticipate no profit and provide for all possible losses in is dash. A. Convention of disclosure. B. Convention of consistency. C. Convention of conservatism. D. Convention of materiality. 83. This concept relates with the long life of the business. A. Business entity concept. B. Going concern concept. C. Accounting period concept. D. Realization concept. 84. Discount on issue of share is a dash. A. Capital expenditure. B. Capital loss. C. Revenue expenditure. D. None of these. 85. Balance sheet is a statement of dash of a business at a specified time. A. Financial position. B. Profit and loss. C. Market value of investment. D. Replacement of the assets. 86. India's new economic and trade policy measures have started paying A. Interest. B. Dividend. C. Profits. D. Interest and dividend. 87. In foreign trade, the exporters sends the document directly to the importer for the payment of invoice called as dash. A. Payment in advance. B. Documentary bill. C. Open account. D. Letter of credit. 88. The terms of trade is the name given to dash. A. Unilateral trade agreement between countries. B. The excess of imports over exports. C. The relationship between price of imports and price of exports. D. Bilateral agreement. 89. No mutual fund may keep a close-ended scheme open for subscription for more than A. 50 days. B. 45 days. C. 60 days. D. 70 days. 90. Zero-based budget originated in the soil of dash. A. USSR. B. USA. C. UAE. D. UK. 91. Warehouse expenses is an example of dash. A. Production overhead. B. Selling overhead. C. Distribution overhead. D. Factory overhead. 92. Fabian entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who dash. A. Introduce new goods, methods of production, new markets. B. Initiate techniques and technology innovated by others. C. Are characterized by very great caution and skepticism in experimenting any change. D. Refuse to adopt opportunities to make changes in production formulae. '93. The objective of management accounting is to provide dash. A. Quantitative information. B. Information for decision making. C. Information for cost ascertainment. D. Qualitative information. '94. Cash budget is A bar an dash term budget. A. Average. B. Long. C. Medium. D. Short. 95. Capacity ratio into efficiency ratio is equal to A. Activity ratio. B. Quick ratio. C. Current ratio. D. Efficiency ratio. '96. A new company is formed in dash. A. Absorption. B. Amalgamation. C. Internal reconstruction. D. None of these. 97. DIC was established in dash. A. 1976. B. 1977. C. 1978. D. None of these. 98. SIPCOT's financial assistance for medium and major industries will be in the form of A. Term loan under IDBI's refinance scheme. B. Seed capital under IDBI's seed capital scheme. C. Underwriting the capital issues and participation in equity. D. All of these. 99. Qualification share is a requirement prescribed for the dash of the company. A. Employees. B. Directors. C. Creditors. D. Auditors. 100. Contingent liability is shown due to the convention of A. Full disclosure. B. Conservatism. C. Materiality. D. Consistency. ஸோ இப்போது ஆன்சர் எழுதி முடிச்சிட்டிங்க. உங்கள் ஷீட்டு உங்கள் கையில் இருக்குது. உங்கள் ஷீட்டும் உங்கள் பென்னும் பேப்பரும். இப்போது உங்களோட ஆன்சரை இப்போ நான் சொல்கிறத வச்சு கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1D 2C 3A 4A 5C 6B 7A 8B 9C 10B 11D 12B 13C 14D 15D 16B 17C 18C 19A 20B 21A 22D 23B 24B 25D 26D 27B 28C 29B 30D 31A 32D 33D 34B 35A 36D 37C 38B 39B 40B 41B 42B 43B 44A 45B 46C 47D 48D 49D 50B 51C 52C 53B 54D 55A 56A 57D 58D 59A 60A 61C 62C 63C 64B 65C 66B 67A 68A 69B 70A 71B 72D 73A 74A 75B 76B 77C 78A 79B 80B 81D 82C 83B 84C 85A 86B 87C 88C 89B 90B 91C 92C 93B 94D 95A 96B 97C 98D 99B 100A. இப்போது உங்களோட டோட்டல் மார்க்கை பாருங்கள் எவ்வளோ கரெக்டாக எழுதிருக்கீங்கன்னு. அதை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் உங்களோட மார்க்கை எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்க முடியும். அதே நேரத்தில் நான் வீடியோ போடுறது ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்னு நான் பார்க்க முடியும். மறக்காமல் உங்களோட டோட்டல் மார்க்கை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.